Hey guys, as you know, like you never had your buttons getting worn out on your radio. And, this is my Volkswagen Jetta, and the buttons, they're sticky and they got worn out by use. And it just looks ugly, to be honest. And I was trying to find a way to actually fix this, and I found a video, some ideas where they actually got some stickers. So that's why I got this sticker pack off eBay. I'll put the link in the seller description so you can get it too. And basically it's going to cover everything up and make this look pretty much new again. So this is the sticker I got. It comes like a set with all the numberings and everything fitted directly, and this was like under $15, so it's kind of like a good purchase. So I'm gonna show you how to actually get this on. It actually comes with some instructions, as you can see. Pause it for a while, you can read it, and I'm gonna follow it and try to remove. You gotta remove the black stuff on it. I tried to paint it with some permanent marker, but that didn't look so good. So I'm gonna try to remove all the blackness to allow the light to come through. So what I'm pretty much doing, I'm taking this flathead screwdriver and just trying to scrape out as much of the black paint as possible. You gotta do this to allow the light to shine through the sticker. I'm gonna take some sandpaper as well. And they said to allow to leave some black lines at the end because the stickers won't exactly cover up the ends. You give a white line. You could always take a permanent marker and cover that up, but we're gonna try to scrape out all the black as much as possible. And also a quick note, you might want to remember where each sticker goes. So I took a picture before I did all this, so I know this is base and this is balance and it's also fade, so I know where every single one is before I can put the sticker in the correct place. So hey guys, pretty much got everything cleaned out. It could be perfect, but I'm gonna continue on. Okay, you can also use some sandpaper, this rough sandpaper. I think this is like 180 grit, and just rub it out. I'm trying to get as much of the stuff out as possible. It's a lot to stick, but I think this is good. So now we're gonna take some rubbing alcohol and just wipe everything off. So what I'm gonna do is put it in a cloth and just give everything a clean rub down. This will remove all the grease and stuff that may be on it. In doing so, this will see it's removing all the grease that may be stuck on it, which will allow the stickers to bond. So give it a proper wipe down. Wipe everything off just like that. Wipe it down. As you can see, there's still some dirt that's behind it. We'll wipe everything down. When we get everything down, now that we everything wiped down with alcohol, we just want to let it dry a little bit. Well, it dries pretty quick. And then we're going to get our stickers. We'll get our stickers and just find out where everything goes. Remember, I took a picture of everything before, so I know where every single one goes. So let's rip everything out one by one. So we got out this first sticker. I'm just gonna come in here. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand. I'm trying to get it. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, so I'm gonna come in here and just try to place it in as neatly as possible. And get the edges. That was good. Okay, so we got the first one. As you can see, there's some white lines on the out. What I'm gonna take is a Sharpie and just try to color it in. Hey guys, I'm pretty much halfway done. I didn't record it because I'm using one hand, but this is my last button. And I'm just going through the stickers one by one, so it's this one left. So I'll show you how I do it. So I'm tempted to do it with one hand, so take the sticker.
So let me give you the choices.
And stick it in just like that.
Okay.
And rub it
The first choice
down.
is dividend growth model approach.
And pretty much this is how it looking so good.
Approach.
Yeah, so hey guys, yeah, I got everything completed up, all the buttons in. It looks way better than before. There's some like white lines. I'm gonna take a marker, a Sharpie, and trying to get it off, but it looks pretty good compared to how it was before. So if you got a button issue and you don't want to change your whole system, your whole radio, you can just get the sticker and it cover everything up. The lights will come through. You gotta clean everything up and put the stickers properly, because you know you want to make some mistakes. Like you can stick clearly here. Take the black marker, Sharpie, and whatever. It looks good. It looks way better than before. So yeah, guys, I will put the link in down in the description to the stickers. It's the cheapest I found on eBay. So hey guys, yeah, this is how you fix up your buttons on the Volkswagen Jetta.